Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the workspace and then how to navigate the workspace. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create an account. For directions on how to create an account, go to KDISD's knowledge base, and when you do create the account, make sure you use your KDISD email. The reason for that is we're going to put assessments and other confidential type documents on here that we don't want just being anywhere on the internet. So make sure you use your KDISD email account. So once you have created an account, go to pbworks.com. You want to log in. I am not using my KDISD email account because I'm just for training purposes, but make sure you do. Log in. And if this is the first time you've ever used PBWorks, then you won't have any workspaces that come up. So you want to make sure that you join our workspace. So in the bottom right, join a workspace. The name is ELA Workshop. And then click Submit. It says you aren't a member of the workspace, so you want to request access. You can type a message if you want to me, or hit whatever letter it says, and then send to administrator. There's nothing more you can do from here until it gets approved, and I will approve it as soon as I see the email and can approve it. So I'm going to pause the video and then approve myself in this other email account, and then show you what the workspace will look like. Okay, so once you get an email back from me saying, or from PBWorks back saying that your request has been approved, go ahead and log back into PBWorks, and the workspace ELA Workshop should appear. So I'm going to click on that. And the way to navigate this wiki is, this is the home page, and there's a welcome and a little bit of information about how each folder is organized. There's two different ways that you can, well, three really, that you can access the information. You can either click on the links, and the only live link right now is 8th grade workshop. You can click over here in Navigator and get to the same place, or you can click over here in Pages and Files. So the way I'm going to show you first is just by clicking the link. So if you go to 8th grade workshop resources, you have the units. You also have the units listed here. You might want to click to expand that, and the reason for that is once you go down to Unit 7, which is what we've been working on, and you expand that, you can actually see how many files are in there. This way you don't just waste your time clicking on folders that there's nothing in. Or you can. So Unit 7, and I know that there is something in Assessments for Unit 7, and there's two PDFs, so I'm going to click on one of them to show you how to download. So you get a preview of it, but this isn't helpful. You need to actually have it so you can save it. So if you click download, it'll download so you can save it. Let me go back. And let me show you how to do a Word document too. So if I'm in 8th grade workshop, I go down to Unit 7. Let's see, what's a Word document? I think the planning. Yeah, planning and mini lessons. And here's a calendar. So if you click on there, and then you want to click download. And I forgot to mention, always you want to use Google Chrome when you're doing this. That's the best platform for this. So then you click, and here's a calendar. Here's a Word document of the calendar for the first 3 weeks for 8th grade, Unit 7. So that is one way. That's one way to navigate the workspace, is if you click there. Another way to navigate is if you want to use this over here. So I'm going to do the exact same things. 8th grade workshop resources. And if I ever want to go back, just click the back button. So 8th grade workshop resources, Unit 7. And I know there is something under mentor text. It says there's no pages, which is true, but there are files. So just know that that's there. So you click there, and then you can download it from the button there, and there's a mentor text. So that's the second way to navigate. The last way to navigate is, if you don't want to mess with any of this stuff here, is you can just click Pages and Files up here, and you can go this way. You can go this route, 8th grade, Unit 7, and get what you need from there. So our hope for you is that this is a resource that will help you in planning, that will help you looking at the unit plans and how to use a workshop structure. Right now, we're starting with 8th grade, piloting them, working through some videos to have for resources. Our hope is that teachers will be able to watch videos of mini lessons, videos of teams planning, and of teachers conferring with students. So that's kind of where we're going with this. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye.